guys, today we're in a new video. Today we're gonna be making slime. How you can see. Today we're gonna be making fluffy slime. Yay! Guys, again, you're gonna need warm water with 1 or 2 spoons of borax and color again with glue. I'm using color with glue so I can make it easy. I'm gonna use the orange. Hi guys, how you can see here, you're gonna be putting all the orange in all that you can take and put it in there. I almost used everything. Well, then you work. Well, then you see. And well, guys, this one is that I don't have more of this color. What you can see here. I'm trying because I don't have much of this color. Well, guys, if you don't have much of that color, you can mix colors. Like I'm doing here. I'm mixing green and blue. I'm just trying to. Well, guys, you can mix it or what you have because I don't have much colors now. Well, mixing this one, I think that this one is. Well, I'm mixing this color. Well, I mixed what I have. I'm getting green now, and well, there you see it. Green is coming out, at least. Well, guys, there you have it, the green. Then when you put all the color that you want, get a spoon and just mix it in. Let me just put the shaving cream in and then just mix. Well, I hope you see that there. And it's not slime yet, but you can see that colors that you add that they are mixing in. Well, after that you finish that, you add a tablespoon of borax with water and then just mix it in. Well, you see that it's already turning into slime. Well, you see that there. Guys, this is so amazing. It's almost like already slime. It's a slime already. But if it's a little bit sticky, oh, now you can see that there is sticky. So I'm gonna add a little bit. Well, and just you have to play with it But if you sticks to if you still sticks, you just add a little bit more of borax, and it just can work. And if you want to add another color, you can. I add those colors because I wanted to add those colors, and I wanted to add those colors. So guys, if you like this video, click a like button down below. You're gonna see more videos of me making slime. When you give like, we can get even to 7 likes, please guys, I will make a large slime video. Like large of the slime will be large. Well guys, bye.